In this episode of Vegan Biz, we're taking you down to New Orleans to Sweet Soulfood, Nola Vegan Cuisine, one of the hottest restaurants in the city, where we taste some of that good food and let you know what's going on. We're also getting a chance to chop it up and speak with one of their employees who's been a vegan her whole life. Stay tuned. Health is wealth.
And we have Intelligent here. You're the hip-hop vegan. That's what everyone knows you as.
Yeah. That's right. Hip-hop head since 1988. Vegan since 2000. I edited books written by rappers, published by rappers. My book was featured on Love and Hip Hop. I live and breathe hip-hop.
So what's up, everybody? Shana G here. Award-winning model since 2006. Vegan since 2018. Featured in fashion shows and commercials, inside magazines and on the cover of magazines. And I've even been written about in an anthology.
We've been together for 5 years.
Bonded through our love for entrepreneurship, health, and entertainment.
I'm a graphic designer for my company, Koozie Arts.
And together we own Uswear, a clothing line that empowers people through fashion.
We're a vegan couple handling business and interviewing business owners.
So watch us prepare vegan food and review vegan restaurants.
And catch us entertaining ourselves through the arts, music, and other activities.
Welcome to Vegan Biz.
Peace, it's Intelligent Law, the hip hop vegan. We're Vegan Biz, and we're here at the beautiful Sweet Soulfood, Nola Vegan Cuisine out in New Orleans. And we're gonna go inside and speak to some of the employees and taste some of that food and let you know what's good. So let's see.
What's up, guys? We're here in New Orleans at Sweet Soulfood Vegan Cuisine, and I have a curry vegetable medley with rice, and then this is the yaka meat. So I'm getting ready to taste this right here. See. Serious, y'all. So let's try. Yeah. See what this tastes like. Take a little time. Five y'all. Good. Really like it. Look back. Okay, so babe, so we're here at Sweet Soulfood Vegan Cuisine in New Orleans. What do you think of the food?
Good. So this right here is curried vegetables over rice. Mix of vegetables. The macaroni and cheese is fire. I haven't tried that yet. That's the stuffed pepper. We got some bread pudding and green juice.
So pretty much you telling me it's amazing, right?
Yeah, it's definitely a place to check if you're down here in New Orleans.
So there you go, folks.
This is hip hop vegan approved.
So what's up, everybody? This is Shana here with Vegan Biz, and we have Miss Nafisa here with us today. And we're just going to be asking her a few questions about being vegan, how long she's been vegan, and working with Sweet Soulfood Vegan Restaurant. So Nafisa, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yes. Well, thank y'all for coming in and enjoying the
Thank you. Thank you for having us. Food is amazing.
Thank you. I've been vegan all my life. I absolutely love it. I did try during my years to venture off to seafood, and it just didn't agree with me. Honestly, your body's honest, so you shouldn't. I love being vegan. I think that it feeds the soul, especially because plant-based is alkaline, and your body is basically whatever. So it feeds you, it feeds yourself, it get younger. I'm 35 years old. A lot of people say, what, you're 35? Yes, and I really feel it's the way that I eat all my life. Yeah, most definitely. I've been working at Sweet Soulfood since May, June. They opened in April, and I absolutely love it. It's husband and wife owners, and real family. It just feels good to be in a place where it's a lifestyle that I've been living, and just to continue it on and then venture off to the community. It's really good. It feels good.
That's awesome. That's really awesome. So I have a question for you. Back to you saying you were raised with.
Yeah.
So were both of your parents vegan, or did they transition at some point and became vegan?
Well, actually, my mom raised me, and my dad, she met my dad, and she converted him. And it's 8 of us, and we all were raised like that. Yeah.
So do your siblings, you guys have children, you also raise them vegan too?
Not everybody nowadays, but all of my siblings coming up, we were raised vegan, a vegan lifestyle. And of course, you venture off, but you come back home to what your body needs, because it talks to you. Like I said, I mean, it's very simple, the way that the body works. And you just have to keep it hydrated. And that comes from not just water, but it comes from your vegetables, it comes from your meats, and it comes from fruit. So being vegan is not just a label. I think it's something that's within us that we just have, because 85% of our customers are vegan, for sure. But they love the flavor, and not just that, they love the way it makes them feel after they eat. Especially the young men, they do a lot of construction and stuff like that. They want hearty food for lunch, but then they feel sluggish. So when they try